Nice facilities and staff clean, quiet, pleasant atmosphere. Friendly management and comfortable room. Had a great one-night stay here. Comfy bed and hot shower. We would stay here again. The manager was really nice. ZZZZ. Great night's sleep. I had a great night's sleep. I was traveling across country in a moving van and needed a nice comfortable room. This place is old, but very nice. It has been updated to a great place to stay. The staff was very friendly, the room was big and very clean, the bathroom was nice and very clean. The building was old, but had been renovated. I would stay here again. Unexpected gem in Cedar City. Do not let the 1950s architecture fool you. The rooms are completely updated with tiled bathrooms with rain shower heads, beds that rival Hampton Inn's comfort, new fridges and microwaves and large TVs. The owner has 2 decades of experience of hotel management in the competitive Santa Cruz CA market and made this property a little gem in Cedar City. Again, cleanliness is up to par with the Hampton Inn properties at which I was a 2 Million Point Hilton member for years while working. Tired of driving the I-15? Stay here and you have money left over to splurge for dinner. Great place. My stay was great. Nice clean modern room with parking right next to your room. Hotel staff was friendly and kind. Will definitely stay again. Big room more than value.